Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we are staying in Pelangi Beach Resort in sunny Langkawi, Malaysia. So follow me and let's check it out. Welcome to Pelangi Beach Resort in beautiful Langkawi, Malaysia. It's a tropical island on the northwest coast of Malaysia, surrounded by clear waters and lush greenery. The resort is spacious and extremely spread out, with buggy service available for easy travel, or you can just enjoy a peaceful walk through its palm-lined paths and tropical gardens. So let's take a look at this beautiful beachfront paradise. Welcome to the pool terrace room, with a private balcony that opens directly to the pool and your own cabana just steps away. On the inside, unwind in a spacious king-size bed, enjoy a large flat-screen TV, and indulge in complimentary water, tea, coffee, and premium toiletries. Plus, sip on refreshing cocktails from the pool bar just nearby for the perfect touch of relaxations. Begin your morning at the Spice Market restaurant, where the cool spice-inspired decor creates a vibrant atmosphere for the restaurant. Indulge in a variety of breakfast options ranging from Western and Chinese dishes to your more traditional Malaysian favourite like roti canais, curries and nasi lemak. And don't forget to explore the fresh fruit station, the dairy and the deli section for the perfect start to your day. At the resort, there's an outdoor leisure centre and it's a dream for kids. There's an animal farm with adorable baby goats and geese and other fun animals, plus fun outdoor slides and swings. It's the perfect spot for the little ones to play while parents relax and unwind. Escape to Pelangi Spa, the perfect retreat for couples or anyone seeking a relaxing spa experience. Indulge in luxurious massages, rejuvenating treatments, and tranquil surroundings. It's the ultimate way to unwind and reconnect, whether you're enjoying a couple's retreat or a solo getaway. At Pelangi Grill, enjoy indoor and outdoor dining with stunning views overlooking the Senang Beach. Delight in fresh seafood, tasty burgers and refreshing cocktails, all while enjoying live music from the band. For a more truly romantic experience, you can definitely book a private candlelit dinner on the beach under a gazebo. It's available under their menu and with advanced reservation required through their restaurant. That is it guys, thank you so much for watching this episode. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.